In this exercise, we are going to work on distinct keyword. First question is get the distinct enrollment dates of students. Second question is get the distinct values of status of students. Let's do this. Let me close this one. I have copied the questions and we are using student management database since we are working on student table. And the first question is that you are going to select distinct enrollment date, enrollment dates from table name students. So you need enrollment date, but this should be unique, so you're just using distinct keyword here, and this is your table. Just select this one and click on execute, and you will get the different enrollment date. They are different if you see from each other. Now the next question is we need to get the, let me copy this one, status. If you go to the column status, we have two status, active and inactive, so we should get two values. I'm gonna write here distinct status from students, and let's execute this one. Okay, active and inactive. That's all for this exercise. All right, take care guys, see you later, bye bye.